that we're listening to Mike Sherm.
I'll be surprised if the bike still runs.
All right, so damage report. You can come down here if you want. I didn't put a bar pad on because my old one looked nasty. So it's like, well, we're gonna be fine. I hit my knee on the bar. Oh my gosh, it hurts. Now I know why they exist. My handlebars are bent inwards, as you can see. My hand will be down here. Besides that, I mean, she runs, I think. She's smoking a little bit, but that's normal. Day 2 with Ryan. It rained so hard the past few days. There's like giant, like this right here, but everywhere. So, see what we can do with it. You got that. To the top of the hill. Ryan's gas. Gotta climb this again.
That paddle's sick.
Dude, it does for the one going down the side of the hill.